Hey, what's up guys? Finally, after so long, after all this time spent on searching, researching, seeking, asking, digging, scouring, begging, I finally arrived. I finally obtained it. In my possession right now is one of, if not the rarest blaster on the entire planet. Can you guess what it is? Let me give you a hint. Do you know what this is? For all my supporters, for all you guys who've been watching my videos, thank you. Stay cool, stay fresh, stay fly. Keep doing what you do. Keep on nerfing. For all you haters, keep hating, stay jelly. Because I have this. You know what else I have? This. Supertech 9000. And this was the barrel attachment for this beast. This is in mint condition. Check it out. No scratches. Stickers are intact. Scope. Barrel attachment. Everything. Same goes for the pistol. You know what the coolest thing about these things are? Check it out. They light up. And scopes are removable. These things are still functioning perfectly, like as if they were just right out of the box from way back when. Check it out. I want to show you guys the air release on the rifle part. OPRV still kicks in. Check out the air release. See that? I don't know what to say. I'm just really proud and I'm really happy and I'm feeling really lucky. These are in my hands right now. I don't know what else to say. So anyway, Supertech 9000, the pistol half is very much like the Supermax 500, and with the scope it looks even more like the Supermax 500 small soldiers version. And for the Supertech 9000 rifle, the main rifle itself is very much like the Supermax 5000. Where I obtained this, I will not disclose to you guys. Trade secret, I suppose. But I'm just really happy with this thing. So smooth, it's functioning perfectly. That's about all I have to say. I'm just so really overwhelmed that I'm actually holding on to this thing. You have no idea how proud I am. That's about it. This thing came in a box. The box is over there. Let me just go get it for a short while. Here it is. Yeah, it's a bit torn up. This box is huge. Bigger than a long shot box. But yeah, Supertech 9000. It didn't come with any darts, it didn't come with the target board, but I don't really care. I have these guys now. Stay tuned for more stuff, I suppose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.